Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be dealing with this washing machine. The make is Hoover, and the problem is that the door is not closing. So there's a problem with the locking mechanism just here. So what we did is instead of throwing it in the bin, what we did is we took the model number from here, and then we did a little search on internet, and we have managed to find the replacement door. Would have been cheaper to buy just the lock, but we managed to get the door, replacement door, with the lock. Just gonna pull it out. So there we go. So we've got the door here, like for like. So that's what we're gonna replace. So we're just gonna take the faulty door off, and we're gonna replace it with a new one. It's a straightforward job. There are two screws to remove, one here and one under here. They both are T25 screws. So just gonna use the ratchet. So now we're gonna undo the bottom screw. There we go. So this top screw is not coming out easily, so we're just gonna use a flathead screwdriver to just pull it out. There we go. Just gonna lift the door up and gonna yank it out. There we go. So that's the old door out of the way. So basically it goes in and then you just slide it down. So it's got two clips which hold on to these slots here, and that's how it gets clipped in. Right, here comes our new door. It came with the new hinge. So what we do is you need to slide in these two clips. So basically you need to slide it into these two slots here. So it just slides in like this. So you push it in and then push it down, and then that's how you line up the holes here for the screws. Just gonna show you the way I'm gonna do it. So just gonna, there we go. So just gonna line up the clips, two hooks. Okay, so now it's not gonna go anywhere, and then just gonna do a little demonstration the way it gets locked. There we go, nice and easy. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna secure the hinge with two screws. As I mentioned before, these are T25 screws. So one goes here, one at the bottom here, that's good enough. So just gonna close the door to make sure that it's nicely lined up. There we go. Job done. Nice and easy. Thank you very much for watching the video.